We're at Big Way. We got a tomato base with what? Medium spice? Yeah. Medium, right? All right. So the reason why I got the money bag is because someone's like, yo, you should try the money bag at Big Way. So I got the money bag today. I got Spam. I really want to do hot pot. I think Spam's like Mando. Like it has to be there. It's mandatory. Okay, so they do have egg, but it's not like a boiled egg. Chinese barbecue sausage. They got beef here. Got some winter melon. I just dip my whole ass spoon in there, man. It's so much easier. If I have too much, I just pour it out. Got some ramen noodles in here too. So if you guys spend more than $25 pre-tax, you guys get a free drink.